Hello, we are back for another episode of Ask Alfredo. Today's question relates to printing plates, and for this one, I called my friend Dr. Flexo, who gave me some suggestions. The question is, how should I clean and store my printing plates? The answer is make sure that they are being maintained, make sure they are being clean. Do not store plates with ink on them. Make sure you're using proper liquids or cleaners or chemicals to use them. Lint-free rags, or there are other products that you can purchase through MAPP that will allow you to wipe your plates without damaging them and without leaving any lint behind. And then you will stack them, put them in a envelope, a folder, box, pouch, whatever works best for you. Keep them in a dry, dark, and cool place. Uh, Try to avoid leaving them mounted on a cylinder. Try to avoid stacking them on top of each other, and definitely avoid stacking them or storing them face to face. The better you maintain them, the cleaner they are, the longer they'll last you, the more times you'll be able to get use out of them. All right. Thank you, Dr. Flexo. Keep the questions coming. I know that stuff when I'm trying to talk about MAPP and I'm going with a hand. I'm just going to make that my thing, I guess.